My name's Jeremy Mack. This is my wife, Michelle, and we own a small business called Bantam Farm. Now, Bantam Farm is a bakery now, but originally we did not start as a home bakery. We started as a small plot intensive farm and actually owned leased property. And also we grew microgreens here in our home. And then I moved everything to a small plot intensive. I had a bad week with bugs and pests, and I'd had some ruptures in water lines, and my lettuce wasn't going to turn out, and so my tables can be really sparse. But my wife said, that's okay, I'll bake some honey wheat bread for the market. In about 15 minutes, we did not have the 4 to 6 honey wheat breads we had. So next week we made 8, and they sold in an hour. We added a few products, and we jumped into the dessert breads, and it just kind of built from there. That's pretty much the philosophy of Bantam Farm, or not the philosophy, the history of Bantam Farm and how we got started. We have 5 children. I have an older son who's married, has children of his own, and is at work right now somewhere else.
One on the way.
Yeah, and he has another one on the way. So we have 3 grandchildren. And then Charlie, my other son, he is also away at college, and my 3 girls are home. And this is Ruthie right here, our youngest. And then we have Katie, who also helps us as well here bake. And then Trinity, my other daughter, who's my second oldest child, she actually runs all of our digital stuff and does all marketing for us and things like that. We sort of specialize in sourdough. We make a honey wheat product. It's milk from fresh organic grains, sweetened with honey. I like to say it started its day as grain and its day as bread. You don't get any fresher than that. And then we do a medium one as well, which is in those bags there, which are, we call that our heritage brand. So that's honey, and then it's an Italian flour and water basically in it. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and that's pretty much a 3-ingredient bread, and that is our heritage loaf. And I wouldn't call it a hard side, I'd call it a medium sided. So we do a lot of dessert breads, which we're going to do in a few minutes. And so those are twist breads. And so any given week, we may do blueberry, we may do cherry, we may do strawberry.
Chocolate.
We always do a cinnamon. We do a chocolate one. Today we're going to do a Bavarian cream one. Most of them are Danishes too, so they have like cheesecake in them. So, it's the kind of thing you don't eat that every day, but they are great and fantastic. So it's gluten-free and dairy-free. Every product that we make that's dairy-free is also gluten-free.
I enjoy getting to know the people there and the friends that we've made with all the customers that come. A lot of times our lines are so long because our customers come and they want to talk to us and see how we are, and especially when Katie was pregnant, they'll ask questions. They would give us gifts for the baby and things like that. And so any given Saturday morning that I'm really tired, I always think about the people that we're going to get to see and touch and give them a smile where they may not have had a smile that day. So I just enjoy the people.
You can find us at the Noblesville Farmers Market every Saturday. We hope to expand. We've been in the Murfreesboro Market at the Ag Center on Fridays in the past, and we're hoping to be back there this year. We haven't applied there yet, but we'll be back there. So hopefully you'll be able to find us in Noblesville and Murfreesboro this year.